Do you like to make exactly the same project as I did, the single folio? Do you want to make exactly the same with everything that I use? Then stay tuned and I'm going to show you what's inside this kit. So for the single folio, what's inside this kit? Of course, my papers, the Strawberry Lane, one set. So you get 39 sheets in total, 21 by 21 centimeters. So one paper pack. You will get 2 chipboard, 1 millimeter. You will get the jute for the spine. And you also get some brown craft papers. I use that also in this project together with these papers. What's not inside this kit is the basic cardstock. I use Clairefontaine 160 gram black, but you can use any cardstock that you like to use, any weight you like to use. So that's never in a kit of mine, never ever. Basic cardstock you need to buy yourself. Okay, so I just added some brown craft paper, but that's not to be used for the basics. Okay, then of course there is a nice ribbon set included, a nice flower set included, and I added also for the strings, for the envelope closures, I also put that inside, and a nice basket with all the metal embellishments, the brads, the eyelets, the charms, the wooden buttons, everything is inside, the bows, everything is inside to make exactly the same project as I did. So send me an email if you'd like to order this kit. I don't have that much, so don't wait too long. It's pretty much a low budget project, so it's especially made for those who doesn't have it that much. So but I don't make that much, so send me an email if you'd like to have the low budget single folio. But yeah, low budget, guys, it's beautiful. So search for my email, it's down below the description box under every video to be found. Send me an email and don't forget to mention where you're coming from, so I can give you the full information, including postage to your country. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Send me an email. Bye bye.